We are in New York City. No, we are in New York City, and we are gonna go to Olive Garden in the middle of Times Square because we have a Broadway show to catch.
And you know, that's just what you get your money's worth.
Yeah. In the middle of Times Square, the worst tourist trap of all
In the whole world. Unlimited soup, pasta,
Yum. Yes. Are we gonna see Aladdin?
We're here.
Are we seeing Aladdin? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm excited.
I tried to pick one that you would like.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I can hear you're fine.
Oh, this is crazy.
We have to go up one more level, okay?
I can't believe I'm seeing a Broadway show right now. This is so cool.
Hi, welcome folks. Now we have to stand to your right.
We're getting the workout in after we ate all that pasta. This is so crazy. We got some really high seats. Wait, are the most expensive ones on the ground? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Our seats. Whoa. Oh, so excited. Look at the balcony seats. Whoa. That's so cool. Look at that lady living her lavish life. Oh my god. Whoa, look at that ceiling. That is so cool. Can you imagine doing this for like a job? Just like playing here the entire day?
That's crazy.
In New York City? Can you imagine that?
No.
Such a good show. I can show you the world part with the flying carpet was crazy. I don't even know how that happened. All right, hang on, let's stop right here.
We're going the right way.
Oh, okay. B&H that is closed on Saturdays. That's so sad. But at least I made it here.
This is what I wanted to show you. I thought you would like it.
This is so cool. It's like, it looks like an alien.
Perfect.
I don't know what it is too, but it's pretty cool. I'm drooling over it. This is how it goes. Look at, oh my god. Oh, look at that green one. That's pretty. Look at all those taxis.